Hello and welcome to the News Frontier 24/7. It is 19th August 2026, and these are the stories that matter today. Alleged drug kingpin in MDMA cocaine bust worth 1.5 crore rupees arrested in Kerala. PM promises to mount COVID-style campaign to get homeless people off streets in winter. Angela Rayner accused Tory frontbencher James Cleverly of scaremongering over rules for illegal traveller sites. Rayner said the government is making the rules stronger and clearer around unauthorized developments. He is building a straw man because what we've actually done is made things stronger and clearer throughout the rules around unauthorized development, making it harder, making it really clear that people who try and do this unauthorized development are stopped from doing it. We explicitly tackle any potential. Data from Congo's Ministry of Health showed the outbreak had so far recorded 5,021 cases, including 2,378 deaths as of Sunday, 16th August 2026, as it rages in some of the most challenging conditions imaginable, fueled by insecurity, displacement and intense population movements. The selection committee and the white ball team management felt players required rest after the National Champions Cup ended and an impending international home season. The states say the school uniform policy should be a welcome relief for household budgets. England vs Pakistan, first Test Day 1 live updates. England skipper Joe Root won the toss and opted to bowl against Pakistan in the first test of the three-match series on Wednesday at Headingley, Leeds. Russia's defense ministry says 453 Ukrainian drones were downed overnight in various regions. Stock to buy for long-term. Shares of Lincoln Pharmaceuticals Ltd have remained under profit-booking pressure after hitting a 52-week high at the end of May 2026. CJI Kant also expressed hope that the newly elected SCBA office bearers would lead the bar by example. The Trump administration is touting its naval blockade of the Strait of Hormuz and previewing new sanctions still to be announced. Iran, which claims the strait remains under its control, has reportedly attacked several ships that tried to bypass its choke point by traveling the waterway via the north coast of Oman. SEBI will soon issue guidelines for responsible AI and machine learning use in India's securities market, with mandatory safeguards including a kill switch, human oversight and data controls. Chairman Tuhin Kanta Pandey said the framework will balance innovation with investor protection as AI adoption expands across surveillance, risk assessment, fraud detection and investor servicing, while ensuring accountability among regulated entities. More than 300 companies are attending the World Robot Conference, which runs through Sunday, displaying over 2,000 exhibits and launching more than 150 products, according to Beijing authorities. Sacked Ukrainian defense minister calls for presidential election. 55% to 199 rupees in normal hours, which bringing its threshold in line with rivals. Human by day, vampire by night, Cohen has difficult choices to make. Beginning here in the 1300s, his adventure could span centuries. In upcoming sequels, The Blood of Don Walker could be the start of an epic saga. The developers envisage Don Walker as a trilogy. Today, Piers proudly works in the all-palm industry. Lalitha Jewelry Mart's IPO, priced at Rs 190 to 201 per share, closes today with a valuation of 11,250 crore rupees. It raised 508 crore rupees from anchor investors before opening. Planchi's mother, sister and former mother-in-law have testified in court as the trial continues. The containers of salt and detergent powder were kept at the same place in the kitchen, and the cook allegedly mistook the detergent for salt and added it to the food. INB officer wanted 10 lakh rupees bribe to clear file, CBI catches him in act. Phoenix Mills plans to expand its retail space to over 18 million square feet by 2030. The company is also repositioning mature malls and enhancing its F&B and entertainment offerings. Recent growth in Q1 FY27 shows over 30% consumption increase across its properties. Immediate expansion includes Kolkata and Surat projects, and upgrades at Palladium Mumbai. That is all for this bulletin from the News Frontier 24/7. If this update kept you informed, subscribe and turn on notifications. We publish fresh bulletins through the day. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.